right, we get set to play here in the second half. Guys, it's been a tough offense for the Jags. They trail 16-0. The defense has held its own, but the stats are ugly. Philadelphia has 10 first downs to only 1 for Jacksonville. The Jags have 31 yards in the game. And, Jeff, they have not reached midfield offensively.
That's not very good. And the Jaguars' defense, I give them some credit now. They played hard. And with the Jaguars giving the ball away twice with 2 giveaways, the Jaguars' defense has done okay. But in the second half, you've got to get your offense to wake up, or you've just got zero chance.
So the Jags start at their 39-yard line. They trail 22-0 here. Trevor's an inside handoff instead. That's Travis Etienne. Good running room to midfield. Got it into Eagles territory. Best play of the day for the Jaguars. They got it to the 44-yard line. They blitz here. Dropping is Trevor looking. Fires it deep downfield. That ball's caught. That's Austin Trammell. He makes the catch. His first catch of the year to the 25-yard line. Dropping is Trevor. Looking. Fires downfield, and that ball is caught right near the line to make. A diving catch by Parker Washington. He's got the first down. Looking. Fires left side. The ball's caught by Evan Ingram. He's going to get knocked out of bounds inside the 5-yard line. Second and goal from the 1-yard line. Quarterback sneak. Trevor lowers his shoulder into the end zone. Touchdown. The Jags now will go for 2. They trail 22-6 here. Fires left side. That ball is going to be caught in the back of the end zone by Brian Thomas Jr.
Let's go! Let's go!
Inside handoff. That is Saquon Barkley. Broke the tackle though. The ball came out. The ball is picked up by Travon Walker. The ball is fumbled and Travon is running it back. He's still on his feet. Travon at the 20. Travon is into the end zone. That's going to be a touchdown. Travon Walker picked it up and ran it back, and the Jags are in the end zone again. It is a touchdown. Wow. That is a touchdown for Jacksonville. The ball came out. He slipped and fell down. It was picked up by Travon Walker, who ran it in for a touchdown. And the Jags are an extra point away from making this a 7-point ball game, a 30-yard return. How about that?
Got a ball game, boys.
The bottom line to all of it is we have a brand new ball game. It is 22-16. The Jags, that defense has kept them in the game long enough now. So now all of a sudden, it's a 6-point game with all kind of time left. 5:12 to play in the third quarter. Philadelphia 22, Jacksonville 16. Offset eye this time. Hurts under center. Play fake, dropping the throw, looking. Fires it deep downfield for Devontae Smith. Ball's going to be caught. He beat Darby. He is tackled inside the 15-yard line. That is a great throw and catch.
Big third down now here for the Philadelphia Eagles, where Jalen Hurts and Sirianni have to know, hey, we're in field goal range. And to your point, Tiki, this has been a good drive. They have to walk away with points on the board.
3rd and 22. Hurts looking end zone for Smith and makes the adjustment. Did he get the feet in? Touchdown! What a catch!
We got to get going here. You're down by 12. 7:43 to play in the ball game. Play fake. Trevor drops. Steps up. Fires deep downfield. That ball's going to be caught. It's Parker Washington. He's got it near midfield. Looking. Fires deep downfield. That ball's going to be caught. Brian Thomas Jr. Dropping is Trevor. Boy, that was a big conversion. Fires downfield. Caught by Evan Ingram inside the 10. Inside the 5-yard line. That's a first down to the big tight end to the 4-yard line of the Eagles. Dropping is Trevor. Looking, scrambling. Trevor's going to try and run it in there. He's into the end zone. Touchdown. A touchdown run by Trevor Lawrence, and it's a one-possession game with 4:04 to play in the ball game. From the middle of the field, a 57-yard field goal to make this an 8-point lead.
Here we go.
There's the snap. Elliott kicks it up. And the field goal is no good. He missed it to the right.
Well, now the Jaguars, 2:11 to go, no timeouts, an opportunity to win this ball game.
Dropping is Trevor. Looking. fires toward the left corner of the end zone. That ball is intercepted in the back of the end zone. Nakobe Dean, covering Dearness Johnson, outfought him for the ball and has picked it off in the corner of the end zone.